Salwa Marjan, Kerala's first female Formula 4 racer, makes history. Meet Salwa Marjan, a trailblazer who has defied all odds to become Kerala's first female Formula 4 racer. Her journey is nothing short of inspiring, showcasing how passion, resilience, and unwavering determination can help you reach new heights even in male-dominated fields like motorsports. Let's dive into the story of this incredible young woman who is set to rewrite history and pave the way for aspiring female racers across India. Born on 24 July 1999 in Kozhikode, Kerala, Salwa Marjan's journey began in a place far removed from the glitz and glamour typically associated with motorsports. Growing up in the small town of Perambara, she developed an unexpected love for racing while watching legendary drivers like Michael Schumacher and Lewis Hamilton. She would spend hours glued to her screen, mesmerized by the speed and control of these racers, dreaming of one day joining their ranks. But it wasn't easy. Salwa faced countless challenges that stood in the way of her dreams. In a country where sports like cricket, football, and badminton dominate, motorsports is often sidelined. Add to that the societal pressure that a young woman from a rural area isn't supposed to be interested in something as dangerous and unconventional as racing. But Salwa didn't let these challenges stop her. Instead, they fuel her determination to succeed. Salwa's journey into the world of racing officially began in 2018 when she started with Formula LGB racing at DTS Racing. This was her entry point into professional motorsports. Despite lacking formal training and financial backing, her sheer passion helped her push through these initial obstacles. She took up multiple jobs and even ventured into entrepreneurship to fund her training and competitions. Every step of the way, Salwa remained focused on her goal to become a top racer and represent India on the global stage. Her family, despite facing societal criticism, stood by her side. Her parents, especially, faced backlash from the community for supporting their daughter in what many considered an unconventional and risky profession for a woman. However, they never wavered, believing in Salwa's potential and encouraging her every step of the way. In 2023, Salwa participated in the F4 Indian Championship, where she quickly made a name for herself as one of the most promising racers on the circuit. Her performance caught the attention of motorsport enthusiasts across the country. Not content with just competing locally, she sought better opportunities and moved to the United Arab Emirates for advanced training and experience. She also competed in the F4 UAE Championship, where she completed 150 laps and secured victories in 119 of them, an impressive feat for someone with relatively little experience. Salwa's success in these races isn't just a testament to her driving skills, it's also a reflection of her incredible discipline and work ethic. Motorsports demand physical and mental resilience. She trains rigorously to maintain the fitness level required to handle the grueling conditions inside a racing car, where temperatures can soar and the pressure is immense. Salwa has faced spins, crashes, and races where everything seemed to go wrong. Yet, she never gave up, learning from each setback and coming back stronger. As a female racer in a male-dominated sport, Salwa has had to work twice as hard to prove herself. In motorsports, physical strength, endurance, and quick reflexes are key. Salwa is fully aware of these challenges and has adapted her training to ensure she meets the high standards required. She's not just competing against other racers, she's also breaking down gender stereotypes and inspiring a new generation of female athletes. Salwa herself has said that the physical demands of motorsports are immense. A racer needs the same physique and reflexes as a fighter pilot. During races, she endures extreme temperatures and pressures that would test even the fittest athletes. Yet, she remains focused, determined to carve her name in the sport. Salwa's ultimate goal is to represent India in Formula One. In January 2025, she is set to join the prestigious F1 Academy organized by the Fédération Internationale de l'Automobile, FIA. If she qualifies, it would be a game-changing moment not just for her, but for the entire nation. The Academy provides the exposure, resources, and support needed to transition to higher levels in racing, including F3, F2, and eventually, F1. Salwa Marjan's story is one of grit, determination, and the power of believing in your dreams. As she prepares for the next big chapter in her racing career, she continues to inspire countless young women across India and beyond. This inspiring story was brought to you by She News, your channel for empowering stories and incredible achievements of women worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to She News. Your support helps us continue sharing stories that matter and shine a light on those who break barriers. Let's get more voices heard and more stories told. Thank you for watching.